Hola amigos and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to change the lights of the number plate from the usual boring yellow to a cool looking green, white, blue or red, anything of your choice. Well, I prefer white because it actually reflects much more than the usual and goes along with the number board as well. So let's get started. All you're going to need is a screwdriver, a 10 mm wrench and this light right here. I prefer these types because they have this silicone covering over it, so it the normal ones that are available, the aftermarket LEDs which come along, they are usually made out of plastic and they usually break after prolonged heat or something. I've had experience with them, so yeah, that's one thing. So you're going to be unbolting these nuts here. It's a simple task, usually 5 minutes, that's all that it takes. So yeah, here the bolts come out. Well, you can also unscrew straight with a screwdriver if you just do that, but it is a lot of labor that way, so I prefer to take off everything. Then you're going to take the screwdriver right here. You're going to unscrew these little puppies right here. Now these puppies are very hard to unscrew when you're unscrewing them for the first time. This is actually my third time that I'm unscrewing. So yeah, it's loosened up a little. There you go, there you have it. Take these out, place them here carefully. The screwdriver seems to roll too much. Shove this out. Take this bulb away. Useless shit. I don't understand. Bajaj makes new generation bikes, but still goes with the traditional yellow color and everything. They don't even have an extra accessory for this beautiful machine that I own. I call her Wolverine. Either way, now that's Bajaj. You can always buy and then you can modify it according to your wishes. So yeah, I installed these beautiful KTM handguards on my own without actually modifying the handle. So if you haven't seen that video, you'll have a pop-up right next to the I button. I mean right in the I button. You can actually go there and check it out. Bajaj should work on giving us more. Not that it does not give us enough already, but stock hazard lamps, stock switch for hazard lamps, and I still don't understand why they give these usual. I mean, the design is good, but bulbs are very out of fashion. You could have gone, giving us those indicators that they give for RS would also have been good, would have gone so well with the design. Those sleek looking indicators, I might be buying them very soon and I'm going to be installing them too. So when you place this back, remember, first the number board, then the holder, and then the spine. So here you go, all beautifully installed. Where are the nuts now? Yeah, here you go, the nut. One nut up. that up. There you go. Pick up the spanner again. You're going to needle again. Tighten this baby up. So basically, you switch it on, and voila, you will see the effect at night. It looks much more beautiful at night. Why am I so sure? Because I've seen Thunderbird and KTM's having this white light, and the boat really reflects very much. And that's the same pretty way I actually changed these colors too. They were stock yellow and I changed them with cop colors, red and blue. I did not have to take out anything for this. All you have to do is, if you can see this wire right here, this wire, this needs to, you shove it out. There it is. It's normal plug and play. But while you install, you see these grooves right here. These need to be locked properly, and there will be these things right here. There will be two handles, lock type stuff, which locks this jack. Shove it in and you're good to go. So that's how you install custom made LED. Not custom made, you install aftermarket LEDs on your bike. So that's pretty much it for today. Until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and don't let anyone bother you on the roads. As I say, the road is filled with idiots, so yeah, always wear a helmet. Bye bye.